Tom Thomas back with you. I got a lot of requests and questions about my fly tying bench, my portable one. So I thought I'd make a quick video and show you how I built it and what it looks like. At the end of the presentation, there are some plans. So thanks for watching. I wanted to show my portable fly tying station. Here I have it in the fly tying configuration, where I have a handle right here that also doubles to clamp on your vise. I have some raised wood on this side and on this side so that materials can sit in here without falling off and help prevent them from blowing away. On these raised sides, I have holes for my tools. I have some that are the size for magic markers, because I use magic markers to change the color of some materials, so I don't have to carry as much materials. So I've got tools here and tools over here. This little section here is for my glues. I have little posts I put in here, so when you're done tying a fly, you can hook it on there and they won't blow away and dry. And then a little tin that's held in place with a magnet for putting in my hooks. Now on this little section here, I call it a carousel. I have my wire, my tinsel, and my thread. Those are held in place with a piece of plexiglass with a couple magnets. Two of the posts here are metal, so it snaps into place and holds the spools there. Then here, if I want some additional tools, maybe the glues, whatever, can go in this section of the carousel. Now the carousel comes off, and I'll show you where that goes later. It was held in place also with a couple magnets. Setting the carousel aside, we'll take out our tools. Opening up the box, you'll see a section here which is a template for all my tools. Now I do that so that when I button everything up, I can quickly look to see that I've got all my tools and I haven't left anything laying around. And I can see now that I've lost my little pin I use. Here it is, to apply glues and such. Now the carousel that I had showed you earlier, this will flip around and it'll go on top of my tools and hold those tools in place. Now I have an area here for my materials. Now here's my lid again. Now the lid will fit tied up against here, so anything that's in here will not come out when it's in the suitcase mode. And this here is the right size to go just into this section there. So I flip it around, put it on. I have magnets and to hold it in place. You can also put some compression pins in each side if you want to even secure it more. I haven't not had a problem. And then I have a couple little handles here for pulling it out. It is all made of hardwood. The majority of it is maple. Now in the suitcase mode, you can just put it up like this. And you can see that it's the handle with some additional supports, because the vise will clamp onto there and there might be some additional forces. I got fancy and used finger joints. You do not have to do that, but it just makes for a nice looking case.